To buy or sell crypto to Zelle P2P in Binance. Start by logging into your Binance account and navigating to the P2P trading section. This section allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users. First, ensure you have completed the necessary verification steps and have a verified account. Then, click on the Buy or Sell button, depending on your desired action, and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Choose Zelle as your payment method and set your preferred currency and price range. When buying, you will see a list of available sellers, their prices, and the limits. Choose a seller with a good reputation and suitable terms. Send a trade request to the seller and wait for their confirmation. Once confirmed, pay the seller via Zelle within the specified time limit, usually 15 minutes. After making the payment, click on the Mark as Paid button and wait for the seller to release the cryptocurrency. When selling, you will see a list of available buyers, their prices, and the limits. Choose a buyer with a good reputation and suitable terms. Send a trade request to the buyer and wait for their confirmation and payment via Zelle. Once you receive the payment, release the cryptocurrency to the buyer. Throughout the process, ensure you follow Binance's guidelines and best practices for P2P trading, including using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of scams. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious behavior to Binance. By following these steps and guidelines, you can securely buy or sell cryptocurrencies using Zelle P2P in Binance.